Well, good morning or good evening, wherever you are in the world. I'm over here in Japan. My name is Dennis Decker, and I am your marine biology teacher. If you have any questions, remember always to contact me on chat. That's probably the best way and the fastest way to get a hold of me because I have that open all day long. If you have any questions, I can help you with that and help you on your way. So one of the things about marine biology that I think that you will really enjoy is that it's really something for you to be able to look into and learn as much as you want. And you can go in depth as much as you want, or you can just skim the top if you want. So there's some things that are easy to do. There's some things that take some time to do. Always take your time and always double check to make sure you've done it right. A lot of the rubrics are there for you, so make sure that as we go through the course, that you actually are taking the time to learn about, Nautilus or sea turtles or whatever it is that we are happening to study at that time. We're going to go all the way from the smallest organisms all the way to the largest organisms. We're going to talk about these are humpbacks. We're going to talk about blue whales and things like that. This class is really geared for you to learn about the ocean and its inhabitants, both the abiotic and the biotic of the ocean. Just a little bit about myself. Um, we, I and my wife both grew up in Southern California. We went to Brigham Young University, and straight out of Brigham Young University, we came into Dodea, and we came to mainland Japan. We were there for a while, and then Dodea transferred us over to Europe, and these are where we were at. We had a great time there for a while, and now we're living in paradise in beautiful sunny Okinawa. You have a chance to be very successful in this course. You have to do the work, do it on time if you can. If you can't, you have 2 weeks to be able to catch up on that work. But always when you're doing late work, you're always trying to, spinning your wheels, trying to catch up and do the work that was due and the work that is due. So it's best to keep up on it. If you have any problems or anything that I need to know about, please message me and let me know ahead of time if you can. All those things are important, and I welcome you to the class, and I hope that you enjoy it because I know that I enjoy teaching this course. Have a great day, and we'll talk soon.